What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Batman. You already know what it is. We out here dropping buckets, boy. Yeah, we back with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna actually talk. I am back, dropping some content for you guys. We're gonna talk wave-related stuff. I'm actually on the way back to the crib right now, so I figured we get it popping. I may drop 2 videos today because we're going to talk about, the main thing is cutting and woofing. So last that y'all saw, I've been working the videos you saw what I had started off when I came back about a year ago. I was doing a 360 offset pattern. And then a few months later, I started to swirl it, a slight swirl. So I have a 360 swirl offset pattern. So what have you. So with that, I did learn a lot with my hair and doing the pattern, because I haven't been waving for a while. And I haven't dropped a video in a while. So I haven't been chopping it up with you guys. So I have totally still been brushing and stuff. So what I'm gonna tell you guys is cutting with the grain, cutting against the grain, 2 different things. All right, I've been talking about this for a while. A lot of people are talking about it these days, but I've been talking about it for a while. Now, having cowlicks in your head, if you have cowlicks and your hair grows like a certain direction, like seriously, where when you cut, you'll notice that you'll patch up and stuff like that. Like for most main example is if you cut down to with a 1.5 guard and you cut with the grain, you will know that you have cowlicks. Like you'll see your hair growing all different ways, and some parts of your hair will cut lighter than other areas. So that's how you know. So me, I've done a video on waving with cowlicks. All right. So me, I've been keeping my hair at a long length. I've been trimming, but keep my hair at a long length, all right? So you wanna make sure you're cutting. If you have cowlicks, all right, you don't it's up to you whether you're cutting against the grain or cutting with the grain, and your barber and stuff like that. I'm a self cutter, so I do cut against the grain. I've been using like 6 guards, 5 guards, and so on, just kind of keeping it trimmed when I go, so I keep my hair at a long length so I can push the forks out and push my, get the pattern connected. Now, the issue is that I woofed for a long time, and I kept my hair at a long length, and I kind of barely trimmed. So I cut my hair down low. So the last time I cut my hair down real low, foundation wise, was October, and we're in April right now. So I've been keeping my hair at a long length, and the pattern, just going with it and stuff like that. Crown, you ain't got to touch. And I noticed that I've been getting this overhang around the side of my ears, right? And around the side of my hairline. This has been kind of becoming a major overcurl. So what I did was, I said, I'm going to trim around those areas and do a taper. So here's what happened. No problem. I can do tapers. Tapers is not a problem. Low tapers. The problem is that I said, you know what? Let me see how this with the grain. I want to go with the grain around the edges and around the front, around the side ears, just a little, just to knock it down. And that's where I messed up. All right, cut too much off. Again, I told you, cowlicks don't lie, because my right side of my head is major cowlick. It might look like a killer side, but that side is cowlick. So you're on the ear part. So it just chunked it, almost looked like it turned into a drop fade or whatever. But I finesse things. It's not a problem. It's been a week since I did it. And yeah, it's all good. I'm probably gonna cut later just to do another trim. And I would like to do that with you guys to just see where we're doing. I kind of want to cut down a little more to work the foundation down, because I like where the connections are going. So I might actually do that. We'll see. It's up in the air. I'm not too sure. I'm on the way home right now. So, and I definitely want you guys to be able to shoot questions and know that I'll answer. And I'll do videos on questions that you guys have. I'll answer questions in the comments. You know what I mean? I want you guys to be able to keep going, because you guys were chopping it up with me. Let me know if y'all needed help on the patterns and all that stuff. However, with this current pattern, another thing is I actually like the way it's going. I actually do like the way the pattern is going, but I did mess up. I didn't mess up. It's not like I messed up that bad. It's just that when you cut your hair, you're hard on yourself, and you want to, it's kind of like, okay, I plugged myself, and it's not really something noticeable, but that's what I want you guys to watch out for. And if you know that that something is not working with when cutting or what have you to your pattern, don't keep doing it. Do the things that work when it comes to your pattern. When you're doing like a certain product, or if you're cutting a certain way and that's not working, and something else is working, do the thing that's working. You know what I mean? That's pretty much my tip. And another thing is, I kind of see what that solution is with people that say they have thin edges, like around their sides, or no edges. The thing with that is, I think that you guys are using guard and cutting with the grain around your edges, and that's just knocking them off. Whereas you gotta just let those grow, and when you cut against the grain on that side. You know what I mean? Because I noticed that I literally did a low taper, and when I took the 2 guard and I trimmed around my edges, it turned it into like a high taper. It knocked so much off. So I was just like, yo, that's a red flag right there. You know what I mean? That's a red flag. Or is it 1 point? Something like that. I took something like it and I did it. And I was like, I usually don't do that. And I was like, let me just knock this down. And I did it, and it was not good. I won't even show. I'm in the midst of this, but I'll take my thing off. You could probably see it, but I can fix out the finesse it though. If you see my edges like on this side, I don't know if you can see it. It took too much, man. Took too much off, Whereas, I don't know if it's gonna know. I don't know if you'll be able to tell from here. I'm not gonna do a full throwing wave check right here, because I'm a good 10 minutes from the crib. So I just wanted to give y'all something. You know what I mean? Something to upload for you guys, so you guys can, know I'm still out there. And I'm going to drop some more. I'm trying to get something going for you guys today. I'm trying to do a cut video. See if I can get a good setup. We can do a little cut video. Kids a little wolfing. We gotta, like in my, look. I'm gonna show you something. You see that? Try not to, do nothing crazy on it. But look, you see how long my hair is? It's long. And I do want to keep it a long length, but I just want to do a trim or foundation. It's up in the air. Whether I'm gonna do a foundation or like possibly like a 3 against the grain, which equals a 1.5. I possibly might do that. Or I might just go ahead and do another 6 trim. I'm thinking of doing the foundational thing, because I want to fix things up, and it's not like I'm gonna be losing progress, because my connections are coming in pretty well, and it's just stuff I want to clean up and stuff like that. I appreciate y'all, those who are coming in. I am Young Batman. I appreciate those subscribing. I appreciate you subscribing if you haven't. I appreciate you hitting that like button. That definitely helps push content, helps algorithms, and so on. I appreciate all that stuff. I appreciate y'all commenting down below, all that stuff. But guys, I'm gonna check y'all in the next one. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can do a cut video. I don't know. I can't promise you that, because I don't know what time's gonna happen when I get to the crib, when I get the camera set up. I don't know if the battery's charged. I don't know. But I appreciate y'all. I will talk to y'all in the next one. Your boy Young Bat, signing out.